The Measure tool for Creator and Engineer now has enhanced features. It now supports dual units, i.e. metric and imperial, bringing it into alignment with the design editor, which allows you to switch units. The angular precision has also been increased to a new maximum of 3 digits when required. A quick recap. Setting the precision anywhere in DesignSpark PCB does not affect the design, which is stored in high precision. It only affects the viewing and setting of values for ease of use. Launch the Measure tool, select the points you require to measure, and you will see the results using the design units. Use the tabs to see the appropriate data for each of the tabs. The new feature is available by clicking the button for units. You can now set specific precision values for the measurement units that you require. Plus, you can select to display 2 units. The additional units are now displayed in brackets. This provides a comprehensive choice of the displayed units to match your design requirements, regardless of the units and precision used in the design. The Report button presents all the measurements from the tabs in a single document for ease of viewing.